हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग 2022 नीट में जो अभी नीट का पेपर हुआ था वो पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। बायोलॉजी सेक्शन का बॉटनी पार्ट केवल है। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, गिवन बिलो आर टू स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट, Clytogamous flower are invariably autogamous. Statement second, clytogamy is disadvantageous as there is no chance of cross pollination. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from option given below. Option first, statement first is incorrect but statement second is correct. Option second, both statement first and statement second are correct. Option third, both statement first and statement second are incorrect. Option fourth, statement first is correct but statement second is incorrect. The correct answer is option number second. Both statement first and statement second are correct. Question number 102. Given below are two statements. Statement first, Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting traits in a pea plants and proposed the law of inheritance. Statement second, 7 characters examined by Mendel in his experiment on pea plants were seed shape and color, flower color, pod shape, color, flower position, stem height. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from the given below. Option first, statement first is incorrect but statement second is correct. Option second, both statement first and statement second are correct. Option third, both statement first and statement second are incorrect. Option fourth, statement first is correct but statement second is incorrect. The correct answer is option second. Both statement first and statement second are correct. Question number 103. Which one of the following statement is not true regarding gel electrophoresis technique? Option first, bright orange color bands of DNA can be observed in gel when exposed to UV light. Option second, the process of extraction of separated DNA strands from gel is called elution. Option third, the separated DNA fragments are stained by using ethidium bromide. Option fourth, the presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue colored DNA bands on gel. The correct answer is option number fourth. The presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue colored DNA bands on gel. Question number 104. Which one of the following plants show axillary estivation and didelphous stamens? Option first, Solanum nigrum. Option second, Colchicum autumnale. Option third, Pisum sativum. Option fourth, Allium cepa. The correct answer is option third, Pisum sativum. Question number 105. Exotype of sex determination can be found in option A, monkey. Option B, Drosophila. Option C, birds. Option D, grasshoppers. The correct answer is option fourth, grasshoppers, found in exotype of sex determination. Question number 106. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Option first, Volvox starch. Option second, Ectocarpus fucoxanthin. Option third, Ulithrix mannitol. Option fourth, Porphyra phloridum starch. The correct answer is option number third, Ulithrix mannitol is a incorrect match. Question number 107. Hydrocolloid coragreen is obtained from option first, Phaeophyceae only. Option second, Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae. Option third, Phaeophyce and Rhodophyce. Option fourth, Rhodophyce only. The correct answer is option fourth, Rhodophyce only. Question number 108. Which of the following statement cannot be connected to predation? Option first, it is necessitated by nature to maintain the ecological balance. Option second, it helps to maintaining species diversity in community. Option third, it might lead to extinction of a species. Option fourth, both the interacting species are negatively impacted. The correct answer is option number fourth. Both the interacting species are negatively impacted. Question number 109. Identify the correct set of statements. Option A. The leaflets are modified into pointed hard thorns in citrus and bougainvillea. Option B. Auxiliary buds from cylinder and spirally coiled tendrils in a cucumber and pumpkin. Option C. Stem is flattened and fleshy in Optinia and modified to perform the function of leaves. Option D. Rhizophora shows vertically upward growing roots that help to get oxygen from respiration. Option E. Subaerially growing stem in grasses and strawberry help in vegetative propagation. The correct answer is option number fourth. B, C, D and E are correct. Except A, all are correct. Question number 110. Which of the following product produces nitrogen fixing nodules on the roots of Elnus? Option first, Bizarnicia. Option B, Rosibium. Option C, Frankia. Option D, Rhodospirillum. The correct answer is option number third, Frankia. Question number 111. Which one of the following never occurs during mitotic cell division? Option first, coiling and condensation of chromatids. Option second, spindle fiber attached to kinetochores of chromosomes. Option third, movement of centrioles toward opposite poles. Option fourth, pairing of homologous chromosomes. The correct answer is option number fourth, pairing of homologous chromosomes. Question number 112. Production of cucumber has increased manifold in recent years. Application of which of the following phytohormones has resulted in this increased yield, as the hormone is known to produce female flower in plants? Option first, cytokinin. Option second, ABA. Option third, zeberlin. Option fourth, ethylene. The correct answer is option number fourth, ethylene. Question number 113. What is the net gain of ATP when each molecule of glucose is converted to 2 molecules of pyruvic acid? Option A, 8. Option B, 4. Option C, 6. Option D, 2. The correct answer is option D, 4, 2. Question number 114. The appearance of recombination nodules on homologous chromosomes during meiosis characterizes. Option A, terminization. Option B, synaptomal complex. Option C, bivalent. Option D, sites at which crossing over occurs. The correct answer is option number fourth, sites at which crossing over occurs. Question number 115. Which of the following is not observed during apoplastic pathway? Option A, apoplast is a continuous and does not provide any barrier to water movement. Option second, movement of water occurs through intracellular spaces and wall of the cells. Option third, the movement does not involve crossing over of cell membrane. Option fourth, the movement is aided by cytoplasmic streaming. The correct answer is option fourth, the movement is aided by cytoplasmic streaming. Question number 116. Girdling experiment was performed by plant physiologists to identify the plant tissue through which option A. First, osmosis is observed. Option second, water is transported. Option third, food is transported. Option fourth, for both water and food transportation. The correct answer is option number third, food is transported. Question number 117. Given below are two statements. Statement first, the primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plant is phosphophenyl pyruvate and is found in mesophyll cells. Statement second, mesophyll cells of C4 plants lack Rubisco enzyme. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer of the options given below. Option first, statement first is incorrect but statement second is correct. Option second, both statement first and statement second are correct. Option third, both statement first and statement second are incorrect. Option fourth, statement first is correct but statement second is incorrect. The correct answer is option number second. Both statement first and statement second are correct. Question number 118. The process of translation of mRNA to protein begins as soon as option first, the tRNA activated and larger subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. Option second, the small subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. Option third, the larger subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. Option fourth, both the subunits join together to bonds with mRNA. The correct answer is option number second, the small subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA. Question number 119. Which one of the following is not true regarding the release of energy during ATP synthesis during chemiosis? It involves option first, reduction of NADP to NADPH2 on the stroma side of membrane. Option second, breakdown of proton gradient. Option third, breakdown of electron gradient. Option fourth, movement of proton across membrane to stroma. The correct answer is option third, breakdown of electron gradient. Question number 120. The flowers are zygomorphic in option A, mustard. Option B, gulmohar. Option C, cassia. Option D, dhatura. Option E, chili. The correct answer is option number third, B and C only. B, gulmohar and cassia are correct answer. Question number 121. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, polymerase chain reaction is used in DNA amplification. Option B, R, reason. The amplificin resistant gene is used as selectable marker to check transformation. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from option given below. Option first, A is not correct but R is correct. Option second, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option third, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option fourth, A is correct but R is not correct. The correct answer is option number third, both A and R are correct but R is not correct explanation of A. Question number 122. The device which can remove particulate matter present in exhaust from thermal power plant is option A, catalytic converter. Option B, STP, option C. Incinerators, option D. Electrostatic precipitators. The correct answer is option number 4th. Electrostatic precipitators. Question number 123. Read the following statement about the vascular bundles. Option A. In root, xylem and phloem in vascular bundles are arranged in an alternate manner along different radii. Option B. Conjoined closed vascular bundle do not possess cambium. Option C. In open vascular bundles, cambium is present in between xylem and phloem. Option D. The vascular bundles of dicotyledons stem possess enlarged protoxylem. Option E. In monocotyledons root, usually there are more than 6 xylem bundles present. The correct answer is option number 3rd. B, C, D and E only are a correct answer, except A, all are correct. Question number 124. DNA polymorphism forms the basis of option A. Translation, option B. Genetic mapping, option C. DNA fingerprinting, option D. Both genetic mapping and DNA fingerprinting. The correct answer is option 4th. Both genetic mapping and DNA fingerprinting. Question number 125. In old trees, the greater part of secondary xylem is dark brown and resistant to insect attack due to option A. Secretion of secondary metabolites and their deposition in lumen of vessels. Option B. Deposition of organic compound like tannins and resins in a central layer of stems. Option C. Deposition of suberin and aromatic substances in outer layer of stem. Option D. Decomposition of tannins, gum, resins and aromatic substances in a peripheral layers of stem. Option D. Presence of parenchyma cells functionally activate xylem element and essential oils. The correct answer is option number 2nd. A and B are correct. A and B are correct. Question number 126. What amount of energy is released from glucose during lactic acid fermentation? Option A. Less than 7%. Option B. Approximately 15%. Option C. More than 18%. Option D. About 10%. The correct answer is option 1st. Less than 7%. Energy is released glucose during lactic fermentation. Question number 127. Which one of the following plants does not show plasticity? Option A. Maize. Option B. Cotton. Option C. Coriander. Option D. Buttercup. The correct answer is option number 1st. Maize does not show plasticity. Question number 128. Given below are two statements. Statement first. Decomposition is the process in which diuretus is degraded into simpler substance by microbes. Option second. Decomposition is faster if the diuretus is rich in lignin and chitin. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option first. Statement first is incorrect, but statement second is correct. Both statement first and statement second are correct. Option third. Both statement first and statement second are incorrect. Option fourth. Statement first is correct, but statement second is incorrect. The correct answer is option fourth. Statement first is correct, but statement second is incorrect. Question number 129. Match of the following. List 1, list 2. Manganese. List 1 manganese. Option B magnesium. Option C boron. Option D iron. List 2nd. Activate the enzyme catalyze. Option 2nd. Required for pollen germination. Option 3rd. Activates enzyme for respiration. Option 4th. function in splitting of water during photosynthesis? The correct answer is option third. Manganese. Fourth, function in splitting of water during photosynthesis. B. Magnesium. Third, activate enzyme of respiration. Boron. Second, requirement of pollen germination. D. Iron. First, activates the enzyme catalyze. Question number 130. Identify the incorrect statement related to pollination. Option first, moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agent among insects. Pollination by water is quite rare in flowering plants. Option third, pollination by wind is more common amongst abiotic pollination. Option fourth, flowers produce foul odors to attract flies and beetles to get pollinated. The correct answer is option first. Moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agent among insects. Question number 131. Read the following statement and choose this set of correct statement. Option A. Euchromatin is loosely packed chromatin. Option B. Heterochromatin is transcriptionally active. Option C. Histone octamen is wrapped by negatively charged DNA in nucleosome. Option D. Histones are rich in lysine and arginine. Option E. A typical nucleosome contains 400 base pair of DNA helix. The correct answer is option third. Histones rich in lysine and arginine. Third, A, C, D only are a correct answer. A, C, D, E are correct answer. Option number third are correct. Question number 132. Which of the following is not method of ex situ conservation? Option A. Cryopreservation. Option B. In vitro fertilization. Option C. National parks. Option D. Micropropagation. The correct answer is option third. National parks are not method of ex situ conservation. Question number 133. Exoskeleton of arthropod is composed of option first glucosamine, option B cutin, option C cellulose, option D chitin. The correct answer is option fourth chitin. Question number 134. Habitat loss and fragmentation over exploitation, alien species invention and co-extinction causes for option A natality, option B population explosion, option C competition, option D biodiversity. The correct answer is option D biodiversity loss. Question number 135. The gaseous plant growth regulator is used in plants. Option first kill dicotyledons beets in field. Option second speed up the mating process. Option third promote root growth and root hair formation to increase the absorption surface. Option fourth help overcome apical dominance. The correct answer is option third promote root and root their formation of increase the absorption of surface. Section B botany. Question number 136. If a geneticist uses the blind approach for sequencing the whole genome of an organism followed by assigned of function to different segments, the methodology adopted by him is called option first bioinformatics, option second sequence annotation, option third gene mapping, option fourth expressed sequence tag. The correct answer is option second sequence annotation is a correct option. Question number 137. The entire fleet of buses in Delhi were converted to CNG from diesel. In reference to this, which one of the following statement is false? Option first, it cannot be adulterated like diesel. Option second, CNG burns more efficiently than diesel. Option third, the same diesel engine is used in CNG buses, making the cost of conversion low. Option fourth, it is cheaper than diesel. The correct answer is option number third. The same diesel engine is used in CNG buses, making the cost of conversion low. Question number 138. Addition of more solutes in given solution will, option A, not affect the water potential at all. Option B, raise its water potential. Option third, lower its water potential. Option fourth, make its water potential zero. The correct answer is option third, lower its water potential. Question number 139. Match the plants with the kind of life cycle it exhibits. List first. Option A, Spirogyra. Option B, Fern. Option C, Funaria. Option D, Cycas. List second. Option first, dominant diploid sporophyte vascular plant with highly reduced male or female gametophyte. Option second, dominant haploid free living gametophyte. Option third, dominant diploid sporophyte alternating with reduced gametophyte called prothallus. Option fourth, dominant haploid leafy gametophyte alternating with partially dependent multicellular sporophytes. The correct answer is option third, A का second, dominant haploid free living gametophyte is Spirogyra. B third, Fern, dominant diploid sporophyte alternating with reduced gametophyte called prothallus. C fourth, Funaria, dominant haploid leafy gametophyte alternating with partially dependent multicellular sporophyte. D first, Cycas first, dominant diploid sporophyte vascular plants with highly reduced male or female gametophyte. Question number 140. In which of the following palindromic base sequence of DNA, which one can be cut easily by particle restriction enzyme? The correct answer is option third, 5GAATTC 3CTTAAG is the correct answer. Question number 141. Which one of the following will accelerate phosphorus cycle? Option first, rainfall and storms. Option second, burning of fossil fuels. Option third, volcanic activity. Option fourth, weathering rocks. The correct answer is option fourth, weathering rocks. Question number 142. Which one of the following occurs during presence of autosome linked dominant trait? Option first, thalassemia. Option second, sickle cell anemia. Option third, myotonic dystrophy. Option fourth, hemophilia. The correct answer is option number third, myotonic dystrophy is autosome linked dominant trait. Question number 143. Match the following. List first. Option A, metacentric chromosome. Option B, acrocentric chromosome. Option C, submetacentric. Option D, telocentric chromosome. List second. Option first, centromere situated close to the end forming one extremely short and one very long arms. Option second, centromere at the terminal ends. Option third, centromere in the middle forming equal arms of chromosomes. Option fourth, centromere slightly away from middle forming one shorter arm and one longer arm. The correct answer is option second. Metacentric A third. Metacentric chromosome, centromere in the middle forming two equal arms of chromosome. Option B, first. Allocentric chromosome, centromere situated close to the end, forming one extremely short and one very long arm. Option C, fourth. Submetacentric, fourth. Centromere slightly away from the middle, forming one shorter arms and one longer arms. Option D, telocentric chromosome. Correct answer is second. Centromere at the terminal ends. Question number 144. While explaining intraspecific interaction of population, plus sign is assigned for beneficial interaction, minus sign is assigned for detrimental interaction, and 0 for neutral interaction. Which of the following interaction can be assigned plus for one species and minus for other species involved in the interaction? Option first, competition. Option second, predation. Option third, amensalism. Option fourth, commensalism. The correct answer is option second, predation. Question number 145. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Mendel law of independent assortment does not hold good for genes that locate closely on the same chromosome. Reason. Closely located genes assort independently. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option first, A is not correct but R is correct. Option second, both A and R are correct but R is the correct explanation of A. Option third, both A and R correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option fourth, A is correct but R is not correct. The correct answer is option fourth. A is correct but R is not correct. Question number 146. Read the following statement on lipids and find out correct set of statements. Option A. Lecithin found in plasma membrane is a glycolipid. Option second. Saturated fatty acid possess one or more carbon-carbon bond. Option C. Gingery oil has lower melting point, hence remains as a oil in winter. Option D. Lipids are generally insoluble in water but soluble in some organic solvent. Option E. When fatty acid is esterified with glycerol, monoglycerides are formed. The correct answer is option number 4. C, D, E are correct. C, D, E are correct except A and B. C, D, E are correct. Question number 147. Transpose can be used during which of the following? Option first, gene sequencing. Option second, polymerase chain reaction. Option third, gene silencing. Option fourth, autoradiography. The correct answer is option third, gene sequencing. Question number 148. The anatomy of spring wood shows some peculiar features. Identify the correct set of statement about spring wood. Option A. It is also called early wood. Option B. In spring season, cambium produces xylem element with narrow vessels. Option C. It is lighter in color. Option D. The spring wood along with auto wood show alternate concentric rings forming annual rings. Option E. It has lower density. The correct answer is option number third, A, C, D and E except B, all are correct. Question number 149. What is the role of large bundle sheath cells found around the vascular bundles in C4 plants? Option first, to protect vascular tissue from high light intensity. Option second, to provide the side of photorespiratory pathway. Option third, to increase the number of chloroplasts for the operation of Calvin cycle. Option fourth, to enable the plant tolerate high temperature. The correct answer is option third, to increase the number of chloroplasts for the operation of Calvin cycle. Question number 150. Which part of fruit labeled in the given figure makes false fruit? Option first, seed. Option second, mesocarp. Option third, endocarp. Option fourth, thalamus. The correct answer is option fourth, thalamus. यहाँ हम लोग का बॉटनी सेक्शन ख़त्म होता है। अब अगले वीडियो में जूलॉजी का सेक्शन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे।